Alanna here. Welcome back to my channel. So it is October, which means that it is officially fall. Okay, bring on the cozy weather, bring on the rain, bring on the leaves, bring on the fall festivities. I am so excited. I love fall. Lunch in the fall and winter is so easy for me because I tend to switch between salads, soups, and sandwiches for the whole house. And right now it is soup season. London really loves soups and taking soups to school. I just have kind of like this little thermos that I put her hot lunch in, and it stays warm all day. If you guys are interested in getting that thermos, I do have an affiliate link down below. So today I'm going to be sharing a recipe with you guys. It's one of my favorites. It is a turkey sausage, potato, and kale soup. It is a very creamy soup. It reminds me a little bit of the Zuppa Toscana from Olive Garden, if you guys are familiar with their soups. But this one is a little bit different because there's no pork, there's no bacon in this. So I did post this soup on my Insta stories and you guys went crazy. You were like, what is the recipe? Send us the recipe, post the recipe. And I was like, you know what? Don't worry, because I actually did film this recipe a while ago. This is a soup that stays in my recipe book, and I love fall because I can always bring this soup back and put it in rotation and not feel guilty about eating so much soup. I can't wait to share this recipe with you guys. Please stay tuned, and yeah.
Okay, so for this recipe, you can really use any type of sausage that you want. In this particular recipe, I'm using chicken sausage, but I love to use turkey sausage. Sometimes I'll even get the ones that are in the links and just cut the casing off. So you're also going to need some potatoes and onions for this recipe. If I'm running short on time, I'll use this bag, but if I have enough time, I'll just slice up about 5 potatoes and 1 onion. We're also going to be using garlic for this recipe, and we're going to chop it up nice and thin. And of course, about 4 cups of chicken broth, about 4 to 5 cups. You don't want to forget your kale because that's a really important part of this recipe. And heavy whipping cream. I use about 3/4 of a cup. Also, you want to grab some salt and pepper for taste. Crushed red pepper is totally optional, but if you want a little kick, you can definitely add some pepper. So first, I'm just going to go ahead and brown this sausage. I just put a little bit of olive oil in a pan and I have it over a medium-high heat. I'm just going to keep stirring it and breaking it up until it turns into cooked little pieces of sausage like you see here. So now if you're dicing up your own onions, you can definitely go ahead and just add your meat to the crock pot and then saute the onions and garlic together. But since my onions are already in the bag with my potatoes, I'm just going to go ahead and saute my garlic a little bit in with the sausage. So once that's all done, that's really like the only part of kind of cooking that you need to do for this. You're just going to go ahead and pour it into the crock pot, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my potatoes and onions over it. Next, I'm going to pour in my chicken broth, and this is about 4 to 5 cups, just enough to make sure that you're covering the potatoes. Put the top on the crock pot and put it on high for about 3 to 4 hours and low for about 5 to 6 hours. Once everything is nice and done, you can go ahead and add your 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream and about 2 cups of shredded kale. Mix that in and you can go ahead and turn off the crock pot because your soup is done.
Fresh bowl. That is good. That is good. It's so good. If you guys make this soup, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. This is one of my favorite soups. It's one of London's favorite soups. And anybody that tries it is like, what did you put in here, girl? Did you put your finger in here? Because it's that good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up so that I know you guys like more recipe videos. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on social media, all that good stuff. I'm always posting and talking about something. Until my next video, bye.